Here we're reviewing the sine law, which is a way of finding angles and sides in triangles that aren't right angles. So before you've looked at SOHCAHTOA, which works with right triangles, sine law can work with any triangle as long as you've got 3 out of 4 of a ratio. So if you have a pair, that is an angle and a matching side or a corresponding side, the side opposite it, and you've got a piece of another pair, then you can find that missing component of the pair, if you like, by using the sine law. So here, for instance, I've got a matching pair in this triangle because I've got 50 degrees and I've got the side opposite the 50 degrees. Okay, so that's going to be like a pair. And then I've got this other, almost a pair here, 60 degrees, but I haven't got x. So sine law just says, well, they're basically in proportion to each other, right? The ratio of side to angle is going to be the same. They're in proportion. So you set this up like a ratio. Normally, you can see here I've just drawn like a little model. So I've said like, okay, so what is A and what is B? And I then figure out, okay, I'm going to use side over angle, because you can turn the sine law upside down. So here I've got side over angle equals side over angle. So there's x over its corresponding opposite angle, sine 60. Cx is opposite 60. And here is the 7, which is opposite the 50. So sine is over 7 is over sine 50. And you can cross multiply if you want, but if you set it up this way, all you have to do is multiply this sine 60 up here. So I've done that there. Just make sure you tap that into your calculator correctly. So you might want to put that in brackets in your calculator. And you should get about 8 centimeters. I think I rounded up for that one. You can also use the sine law to find an angle. If you are going to do that, you might as well write the ratio as angle over side equals angle over side. It just makes it a bit easier for the algebraic rearrangement. So again, you've got your triangle here. Now you figure out, okay, if I'm looking for that angle, then this is the side opposite that angle. So theta is going to go with 7. So that's why I've got sine theta over 7 here. Now in order for this to work, I need another matching pair. So there's my matching pair, 75 degrees and 9 centimeters, or whatever it is. So I'll put those together, right? Sine 75 over 9. And again, it's either cross multiplication, or in this case, I've just got to multiply the 7 up here. So I've done that there. And this time, because you're finding an angle, you're going to have to do shift or second function sine of your answer. So you work out what this is here, right? And then you do inverse or shift sine. And you'll get about 51 degrees there. So that's sine law to find an angle.